Hey guys, thought we'd just do a mukbang. Mukbang, mukbang, muk. Yeah, no. This is what I got. I got the jalapeno flavored. I love these chips. They're awesome. And then I got the McRib. Never had this before. I don't know if it's new or not, but let me show you what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, it looks good. Hot jalapeno peppers. Let's just dig in and see. That was rude. Very good. I thought I'd try something different because I didn't want to burn myself out on the turkey bacon avocado. Oh. Thought I just tried the McRib. I don't know how many calories is in this, but I'm sure the bread alone. Don't that look good? But, jalapeno peppers. I always have them put jalapeno peppers on mine. And hubby's too. My lettuce for the day. These chips are so good. See how many calories are in these. 200. Ouch. Ow. And yet I keep poking them in my mouth. Which, I did not eat breakfast this morning. And I did not eat lunch. So, I guess I'll just make up for it with the chips. Why not? That's just pretty daggone good. I should have got hubby the 12-inch. 6-inch is all I can eat. If that. Hubby? Daniel. That's my husband's name. I always call him hubby. Therefore, you guys probably don't. You're like, what is his name? His name is Daniel. Daniel, Dan, Honey Pie, Sugar Bunch. Anyway, he can eat a big one. He's working at the golf course today. And he'll be hungry when he gets home, I'm pretty sure. This is good, guys. Very good. Very, very, very good. Wearing my favorite eyelashes. They're made by Kiss, and they're called Nuance. Nuance. But the only place I've been able to find them is the Dollar General, and that's no lie. Go figure. I googled these suckers, and I couldn't even find them there either. I'm wondering if the reason I'm not finding them is they're like a Halloween special edition. I mean, they don't look like spider webs to me. You know? They're my favorite. I googled them and couldn't find them anywhere. Googled Kiss. Went to the company, you know, where you find the Kiss. Googled Kiss. I googled the Nuance. And I also googled the number that was on the box. Nothing. And it told me, can't find them. I'm like, what? Well, I don't know where the Dollar General keeps getting them, but more power to them. They got some more in, and I bought 3 more boxes. I think I have 4 boxes. I don't want to run out. If I ever can't find them again. You know how it is? When you find something you really like, and you start using it, and then all of a sudden it's discontinued, or you can't find it. That is annoying. So, I don't know where they're ordering them from, but as long as they keep ordering them, I don't care. And not all Dollar Generals order those either. I was going to do an update on my coffee bar. I watched a video not before last night. And it was on her coffee bar. About, you know, all about her coffee bar. And I thought, maybe I need to do an updated one because I've kind of changed around the, you know, summertime, the pictures and stuff. I'll take something down and put some stuff up. So it's a little different. And it's a little different right now. So it's not, it don't look like the last time I showed you. But it's been a while. You see my eyeshadow? That looks pink, but it's really orange. Orange and blue and white. What's that? I just went in the crease with the blue. I was wearing blue, but y'all know I love that orange. I love orange. Orangey, orangey. Orangey, orangey. Do y'all remember the commercial? The guy named Jared, who all he ate was Subway. He lost all that weight. Which, he turned out to be a pervert and he's in prison now. They know why. They found all kinds of little children's porn in his home. And I think he was, molesting kids. What a jerk. But anyway, not that I can afford to eat Subway every day because I can't. But I do eat a lot of Subway. Because to me, if I'm going to eat out, Subway's healthier than anything else. The bread don't help me much, but it's sweet. That probably don't matter either. I took my shower this morning. Left my hair up in a towel for a while. My phone was ringing. I was busy making phone calls. Just things I had to work on this morning. And on the way home, not on the way to town, but on the way home, I noticed this is flipped up. And it's like, well, for heaven's sakes. I guess because it's up in the towel for long and dried like that. And I tried wetting it, getting to lay down. It's still flipping. Flippy, flippy. Guys, I wish you guys were sitting in front of me and eating one of these. Because these are so good. Daniel's gonna like it. He likes anything that's meat. I bought some hot dogs. I have been craving hot dogs so bad. I've been craving hot dogs out on the grill. You know, like I told my husband last night, I said, I'm craving hot dogs cooked on the grill until they're black. This is my favorite. And my husband's like, ew! So I bought some hot dogs. Maybe Wednesday, before we do them, because I'm working Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But I want some hot dogs. Tell you what, if there was a place that cooked grilled hot dogs and would do them till they're black, like on the side of the street, I'd probably pull over and order some. I live in the country. You don't get that. Sorry, my nose is running. You don't get that pleasure like in New York, you know, where they just have all these little side things. I guess they have those. I watch too many movies. But anyway. That was good, guys. That was delish. If you're ever, hang on, let me find the receipt. If you ever go to Subway, I know I have the receipt. Oh, that's Subway. Okay. Now you're missing out if you have never tried the turkey. Sorry. Okay. If you haven't tried the turkey bacon avocado wrap, then you're really missing out. You really do need to try that one. This one is called the 6-inch barbecue rib sub. And how did I get them for that cheap? It said for $8.89, but I got them for $4.49. Maybe that was for the 12-inch, $8.89. Anyway, I got 2 of them, and then 2 chips, 2 drinks, and it came to $15.16 with tax. It was $16.87. So that's not bad. But as I was saying, they're called the McRib sub. Barbecue McRib sub. So there's another one y'all need to try. I'm just throwing all these out here for y'all to go try. Huh. If they're good, I'm going to share them. And that turkey, that turkey bacon, I'm telling you. Turkey bacon avocado. I do like it better than this one, than the barbecue McRib, but this one's good. Make no mistake about it, this one's very good, but I can't quite, I can't get away from the avocado or guacamole. I love avocado and guacamole, and I guess that's just one that's my favorite because I like it. I like the flavor. Well, anyway, there's another one for you to try. 6-inch, it's only, like I said, it was only $4.49. Now, if you get cheese with it, I told her no. Cheese is like 80 cents extra. Why is that? I don't know. So I said, no, ma'am, I don't need cheese. I got cheese at home. I want cheese, I'll put cheese on there, you know? I think 80 cents is a little steep for a slice of cheese. I mean, now really, come on. Yeah. My grocery list. Guys, I am so bummed that my yours didn't come in? The one like this one I ordered, you know, but bigger. It said it was supposed to have been here today. Kind of happy I got the wallets though. Well, anyway. I know you guys are probably like, okay, I'm tired of watching you eat. I love watching mukbangs. I don't know why. Like I said, sometimes you learn a lot. People talk to you when they eat and they tell stuff. All I did was move my mouth. I'm sorry. Nothing good. Except you really need to try these. If your husband likes meat, McRib. Very good. Alright, guys. I'm done. I put all my stuff in here, so I'm done. Finished with my mukbang. And it was good. Very good. I was hungry since I didn't have breakfast or lunch. I was hungry. Let me just say, if you guys haven't tried these either, these are good. They're hot. Make no mistake. If you just like, before you start eating, and you take one out of the bag and bite it, it's hot. It'll set your feels on fire. Just have some tea or something to drink right after. But once you get used to it, when you start eating them with your meal, I like these with the taco. I want a taco. Anyway, I was craving tacos the other night. If you eat, I like these with the taco. There I go again. With the turkey, avocado, bacon wrap. They're good with that too. Anyway, there's that. Taco. Maybe we'll have tacos sometime this week. I thought about tacos. I thought about getting some hamburger meat, but with me working 3 days next week, I'm like, well, when am I going to have time to cook? So, I'll just wait. Alright guys, I'm off of here. Hope you enjoyed that little mukbang. And I should have did a thumbnail. I don't think I did. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Comment below, thumbs up, share my channel. I don't know. There are quite a few people who like mukbangs. And I'm one of them. And I think I am going to do an update of my coffee bar and show you guys what I did later. This one will go up first. Okay. You know the drill. So I'm not even going to say it. You know the drill. Sure. Yeah. All right. Later, guys.